Hello back. Today I'm going to share with you why I care so much about fitness as a classical guitarist and what is the most important training for me. Stay because I think it's worth it and important. If you are practicing guitar a lot, like me, and do it daily, maybe even teaching guitar, playing on the weekend, concerts, and I have to admit that it is very important for me to be able to do this as long as I can. I mean, in the life experience terms, and of course so intensively I like to. So I need for this a physical fitness background to be able to live this kind of dream. I believe that working on my back and shoulders is one of the most important part of my fitness. So if you don't live near to sea and don't do kayaking or stand-up paddling twice a week, then you need some backup exercises. And I would like to show you a few things. Of course, yoga, gymnastic and power training like push-ups belongs also to my regular workouts. However, today I would like to show you a few exercises which keeps my shoulder healthy, I hope strong and elastic for another 50 years. Good shoulders means for me good hands. So to the point. What I use is a simple yoga mat and stretch band. This is Deutsche band, made in Germany, and that's all. We are activating first of all our pelvic floor, making this kind of move, a little bit to the top, and then staying flexible on the knees, stretching this band, and then going up. And repeating 20 times, counting between the moves. So after making your repetitions, 20 repetitions or a little bit less or more, you can relax. So now we are taking our hands above our head and then activating also our pelvic floor, feeling the solar plexus muscles, and then going up and feeling that you are touch the ground with your elbows. So this is important. And down and up. Repeating also 20 times. And so on. One of the very important practice I do very often. So you bring your hands, it looks funny, up and fits, and then making stretch. Feel also your pelvic floor activated. And so on. A true story, my very best guitar professor was making kayak tours each year. He told me that this keeps his ability, shoulder healthy in the right place for the whole year of teaching and playing guitar. There has been some truth in this. Since a few years I'm stand-up paddling on the sea regularly and I understand what he means. You can also find, as I said on my channel, a lot of stuff about guitarist health. First of all, I will suggest to you to try this exercise with dystokinesis, which activates your pelvic floor, your solar plexus. And of course, be my guest on my channel. I hope you find something for you. I hope you found some value from this video. If you have any questions or maybe you are interested in deepening this topic, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned and stay totally guitarist, and see you next time.